This next few weeks is really, really important for Mansfield and for the country. Mansfield voted 71% to leave, and since I've been here the last 2 years, I've done everything in my power to try and make that happen. This place has got in the way, and every time the Prime Minister, has overcome a hurdle, got closer to delivering Brexit, Parliament and the opposition here has put another barrier in the way. We need to make sure when we get back here, we can get Brexit done and we can move on. But we've been working hard in Mansfield as well. I came up with 4 key priorities in the last election. They were our town centre, dealing with homelessness, education and skills in our district, and also our transport links. And on each of those things, we've made real progress. I can go through them for you. So in the town centre, we've obviously secured our massive £25 million town deal to reinvigorate our economy, to support our local businesses, bring a bit of life back to the town centre. There's another 20 million up for grabs in the Future High Streets Fund next year if we can get this government re-elected. Homelessness, we've had over £1 million of extra investment into homelessness services in our area. And I've also raised quite a bit of money for the Beacon project locally so they can expand and take on more staff to deliver better local services. Transport, big progress again, over £20 million of investment in the A38, the A614, A617, and we've made big steps forward on the A60 Junction 2 with plans submitted here to the Department for Transport that, again, if re-elected, we will get that money for that junction at Sainsbury's. And the Robin Hood line, where the plans to extend are now part of a formal business case that has to be presented here. That's a big step forward, as well as improvements that are already going to happen with new refurbished trains and more routes on evenings and weekends to boost our local transport links. And finally, education and skills. That's been my big passion here. I sit on the Education Select Committee. We've obviously secured £14 billion of investment to increase the budget for every single school in Mansfield from September. Really, really important. And I've done lots of work, inquiries into things like special educational needs and school funding as part of my work on the committee. I've also brought together the college, Nottingham Trent University, and lots of education partners in Mansfield to look at how we can boost standards and support our local education system. There's an awful lot still to be done on all of those areas. There's a lot more still to be done, and I hope that I can rely on your vote come December to make sure we can finish the job.